in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a media road. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my eye, got a
Hit them bitches smile, better be blood. If it ain't me, your mama shouldn't be showing you no love. Please forgive me, I know that I'm stingy. Baby, I'm playing about shit and playing against.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan. If it's your first time here, hey girl, hey. And if you're a returning subscriber, then thanks for coming back. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing a unit from LuvMe Hair. But before we get into the review, make sure you're subscribed. I'd appreciate it a lot. And also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. But enough about that. If you want to find out my thoughts and opinions on this unit and also see her in action, then just keep watching.
I know that I'm stingy, baby, I'm playing about shit and playing against you. Hit them bitches smile, better be blood. If it ain't me, your mama shouldn't be showing you no love. Please forgive me, I know that I'm stingy, baby, I'm playing about shit and playing against you. It's on my mama, yeah, it's on my hood. No problem, I'll be a sugar should. Try to go between us, it won't look good. You know I love you like going I'm good. I go to hell and back for you. I go sacrifice for you. I go up to bat for you. Even when she looking bad for you. Hit them bitches smile, better be blood. If it ain't me, your mama shouldn't be showing you no love. Please forgive me, I know that I'm stingy. Baby, I'm playing about shit and playing against.
Okay, so let's talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair. This is their 5x5 Wet and Wavy Undetectable Invisible Lace Glueless Closure Lace Wig with real HD lace. Woo. The cap construction was your typical cap construction, but at the same time kinda not. It did have 4 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 on the sides, 1 kinda in the middle. It had adjustable straps and it also had an elastic band. Again, this is a 5x5, so you're gonna have 5 inches of lace going across and then 5 inches going straight back. The product details on this unit says that she is 100% human hair from one donor. She can last up to 1 year or more. She is 180% density, natural black, pre-plucked, can be dyed. Of course, we saw the adjustable straps. The lace is top Swiss lace, and she comes in either 20 inches or 24 inches. This is a 24 inch. I can easily agree with all of those product details because this is not my first wet and wavy undetectable invisible unit from LuvMe Hair. If I'm thinking correctly, the first unit I ever reviewed from them was their 13x4 wet and wavy undetectable invisible unit. That is a lot to say. Whew. But I will make sure that I pop that video up in the cards, and then also I'll link it in the description box below, but I'll also pop up the thumbnail for it right here, so make sure you check that out. The quality of hair, the lace, all of it is the exact same. It is honestly top tier in my personal opinion. Before I tell you all of my pros on this unit, I do want to talk about one con that I have, and it's honestly a very small con. I did wash this hair before I installed her, and I just used regular shampoo and conditioner, but I did notice a little bit of shedding. Now, it wasn't extreme or excessive shedding, but I did have a few strands come out. Now we can go ahead and jump straight into my pros. To start off with, I guess we can just start with the lace. Like, how many times am I gonna say the lace? The lace is incredible. Like, it melts effortlessly every single time. Like, again, you cannot tell me this is not growing out of my scalp. I said the same thing about the first unit that I ever reviewed from them, and I'm gonna say it again. You cannot tell me that this isn't growing out of my scalp. My second pro on this unit is definitely how soft the hair is. I've said this about pretty much every LuvMe Hair unit that I have. Their hair is just always so freaking soft. Like, you just constantly want to touch it, even though I'm trying to keep my hands out of it because I don't want to mess up the curls, but at the same time I'm like, child, a little bit of water will bring them right back, so who cares? But it's just always so soft. This hair honestly makes me think of springtime, summertime, tropical vacation of some sort. Like, I just So with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram. It is @tandotson. My TikTok is also @tandotson. Thank you so much to LuvMe Hair for sending over this unit for me to review. It is much appreciated. I will make sure that I have a direct link to this unit in the description box below, and also if I have any coupon codes or anything like that, I'll also make sure to put that down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, so I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Playing no games about you.